Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making a visual effect for your 2D textures for it's look like combining ink into the water, so you can make stable fluids on your 2D textures in Unity project. Okay, without wasting time, we're going to here. Kjero 6 years ago made this package, and you just need to go to this link. I will share the link of this project under the description of this video for sure. You just need to go here and download zip file of this package and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, here this one, there is a simple scene over here, just a main camera into the scene, and this is the script of fluid. And if I play the scene, you just need to touch or click on by mouse. Here you can see the effect works perfectly. It follows my mouse. It is very good. It is very good. So instead of this photo, look at this. This is the same sample photo. It is just PNG and no need to read, write, check on. It's a simple 2D texture, and the texture type is default. So I just need to change with any photo you want. For example, something like this. And if I make it here, I play it, and now I can do this. It works perfectly. It helps you to make a very beautiful effect for your game or for your cutscenes. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and Nixon. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.